Happy Mardi Gras, y'all. Today, I wanted to teach you the New Orleans second line. Let's go. Before we get this video started, who's your favorite New Orleans musician? Leave your answer in the comments. It's Mardi Gras time here in New Orleans, and Mardi Gras is one of my favorite times of the year. And if you've never visited New Orleans during Mardi Gras, I would highly recommend it. But the huge asterisk here, just be ready to deal with Mardi Gras, because if you're in New Orleans during Mardi Gras time, there is no escaping Mardi Gras. And Mardi Gras is, of course, a crazy party. But something that I really love about Mardi Gras in New Orleans is that it showcases how culturally rich this city is. You can do the cliche touristy things. You can go down to the French Quarter. You can be on Bourbon Street, have beads thrown at you, and do that type of partying stuff. There are also a lot of other great things happening. You have the parades happening uptown. You have some parades happening in Mid-City. You have all of these crews and groups of people who have their own unique celebrations. The Mardi Gras Indians, the Skull and Bones, and all of these different communities that represent what New Orleans is. Every year that I do Mardi Gras, I'm really amazed at the beauty of New Orleans, and more importantly, the beauty of the people and the communities of New Orleans. What's going on, y'all? My name is Gregory Agid. It's Mardi Gras time here in New Orleans, and what better time to learn the second line? So today, I wanted to teach you all the New Orleans second line. Now, we're not gonna learn just any second line, we're gonna learn the second line. And if you've ever visited New Orleans, I'm sure you've heard this song. A lot of people just call it the second line, but it's actually called Joe Avery's Blues. It starts with the trumpet going, ba-da-bow, oh, and then everyone goes, hey! Over the last couple videos, I've been talking about chord changes and the importance of the blues. And this particular tune is a wonderful example of a 12-bar blues, and the melody actually outlines the changes of the blues perfectly. Today, I wanted to change things up just a little bit, and I don't think I'm gonna put any sheet music on this video. So I want us to pretend like we're in a classroom together, and this is the way I would teach you the song if you were one of my students. So today, we're gonna use our ears, and we're gonna use our analytical mind to figure out the melody to Joe Avery's Blues. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get my clarinet and let's learn the tune. And that's the magic of video editing. Today, we're gonna play Joe Avery's Blues in B-flat concert, C on the clarinet. This tune starts off with a great example of call and response. The trumpet or the lead instrument's gonna make a call, and then the crowd usually responds with, hey! And the trumpet will play this lick twice. Check this out. Hey! And then we'll play it again. Hey! I want you to try and learn this melody using your ear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play each one of the notes, and then I want you to try and sing that pitch. Let's try it. Now try and sing it by yourself. Ba, 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 oh. Ba, 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 oh. Now try and find those notes on your instrument. So if you're thinking of a C7 chord, we actually played 5, 6, flat 7, 5, fall, 5, 6, flat 7, 5, fall, G, A, B flat, G, G, A, B flat, G. Now that we learned the intro, let's move on to the melody. This is the formula for the chord changes of a simple 12-bar blues. First, we're gonna play 4 measures on the 1 chord. 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord. Then we're gonna go to the 4 chord for 2 measures, 4, 4. Then we're gonna go back to the 1 chord for 2 measures, 1, 1. So to recap up until that point, we have 4 measures of the 1 chord, 2 measures of the 4, and 2 measures of the 1. And now we have the turnaround, which is the last 4 bars of the blues. And the turnaround is 2 measures on the 5 chord and then 2 measures back on the 1. So the whole blues goes 4 measures on the 1 chord, 2 measures on the 4 chord, 2 measures back on the 1, 2 measures on the 5 chord, and then 2 measures on the 1 chord. For this blues, all the chords are going to be dominant chords, 7th chords. In the key of C, the formula for the blues is C7 for 4 measures, F7 for 2 measures, back to C7 for 2 measures, G7 for 2 measures, and then finally C7 for 2 measures. Let me say that one more time. 4 measures on C7, 2 measures on F7, 2 measures on C7, 2 measures on G7, and then we're going to wrap it up with 2 measures on C7. One of the cool things about this song is that the melody outlines the chord changes by using the triads. Let me show you. Let's start with the first 4 measures of the tune. The first thing I want you to do is to sing the melody back to me. Now try and sing that melody back to me. Bo boo ba, bo boo da 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 do boo ba, bo boo da 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 da. Forgive my horrible singing, y'all. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. La la la, la 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 la. La, 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 la. So you can hear we have a riff that's being repeated. La, 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 la. And then we play it a second time. La, 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 la. That's the 2-measure riff. And because the blues starts with 4 measures on the 1 chord, we're going to play that riff twice starting on the 1 chord. Now try and find those notes on your instrument. To me, that sounds like a major triad starting on C. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. Or with the note names, C, E, G, C, E, G, 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 C, E, G, C, E, G, 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 G. Let's play that on our horn. A 1, a 2, Great job. We just learned the first 4 measures of the tune. Now that we learned the first 4 bars, let's learn the next phrase. The first thing I want you to do is sing the melody. Check it out. Now go ahead and sing that. La, 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 la. That melody sounds pretty familiar, right? It's exactly the same thing from the first 4 measures, except we transposed it to fit the 4 chord. The 4 chord is an F7, so now we're just going to play that lick on an F7. F, A, C, F, A, C, 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 C. Go ahead and play it on your horn. Now, if you remember the formula for the blues, we only play the 4 chord for 2 measures. So we're only going to play that phrase once. Now, we're going to go back to the 1 chord, the C7. La, 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 C, E, G, C, E, G. That sounds just like the lick from the first 4 measures, except we left out a couple notes. Let's recap the melody for the first 8 bars of the tune. Check this out. A 1, a 2, I hope you can hear how this melody is outlining the triads of each of the chords. It starts with 4 measures on the C chord. And then, because the next chord of the blues is an F7 or the 4 chord, we're going to play that lick now on the 4 chord. We're only going to play that riff once on the 4 chord because the 4 chord only lasts for 2 measures. Now we're going to go back to the C7 or the 1 chord for 2 more measures. Now let's deal with the turnaround. We're going to play the 5 chord, and the 5 chord in the key of C is a G, G7. First thing I want you to do is try and sing the melody. Now let's try and sing that. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-da-do, bo, 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 ba-dum-dow. Da-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-da-do, bo, 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 ba-dum-dow. Sha-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-da, bo, 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 ba-doo-bow. Oh, my singing is horrible. This part of the melody is going to start on a B, and that's the 3rd of the G7. See if you can play this riff back at me. Now we're going to add some more notes to that riff, and we're going to walk down the scale until we hit an E. Check it out. B, 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 A, G, F, E. B, 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 A, G, F, E. Almost said the wrong notes. And now let's learn the last lick of the tune. Let's try and sing it. Bo-ba-doo-bow, bo-ba-doo-bow, bo-ba-doo-bow. We're going to wrap up this tune back on the 1 chord on a C7. And this lick starts on an approach note to the 3rd. Flat 3, 3, 5, 6, 1. Flat 3, natural 3, 5, 6, 1. E flat, E, G, A, C. E flat, E, G, A, C. Let me play the last 4 measures for you a couple times. Great job, y'all. Now let's put everything together and play through the melody 2 times. A 1, a 2, All right, y'all. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this lesson helped you on your journey. If y'all are enjoying my content and want to support me, there are a couple ways that you all can show me some love. First off, y'all can hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you all want to leave me a super thanks, that would be greatly appreciated. I have a bunch of PDFs and downloads available on my website. And if you all are interested in purchasing any of the products that I am using to make this video or any of the Clarinet products that I have, you can click my Amazon affiliate link and I will get a small commission on your purchase. All right, y'all. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you all later. Peace.